What happens when you accelerate the bearing to 90,000?
We all know that when an object is moving faster,
The greater the centrifugal force, the mass is behind the acceleration. It is often capable of monstrous power. After the vinyl record is accelerated to 12,000 RPM,
there's no way to withstand that kind of force.
there was a direct disintegration.
Prepare a bearing.
Accelerate it to 50,000 revolutions.
We can see that.
There were a lot of sparks from
The bearing after it hit the ground. Keep turning for a few minutes and then stop. It's accelerating against Apple.
Observe at normal speed.
We can't even see how it disintegrates.
When you slow the camera down 100 times, we were able to see this spectacular sight.
And finally, the main props we're going to use today.
Using a high-pressure air gun to blow air, it soon reached a speed of 90,000 revolutions.
So fast. At the moment of release,
There's a lot of friction with the ground.
after I slow down the camera, we can also see a little spark. If you let the bearings that are rotating at high speed run into some fragile objects, it can be very destructive.
The reason why bearings can achieve such a fast speed, it has a lot to do with the air gun and itself.
The bearing we used in the experiment
Belongs to a kind of low-speed bearing.
It can easily reach tens of thousands of revolutions per minute,
But for some high-speed bearings,
only a few hundred revolutions per minute. In addition to its internal structure and production precision,
it also affects the rotational speed to a large extent.